Have you been looking for a pool house, but everyone you find is over budget, or it's in the wrong neighborhood, or feeds to the wrong schools? Well, that stops right here at 3321 de Torres Circle in Round Rock, Texas. We are in the Paloma Lake subdivision. Hey, I'm going to show you this house, but before I do, let me just tell you a little bit about what you need to know. Paloma Lake is one of the nicest subdivisions in Round Rock. It feeds to an A-rated elementary school, an A-rated middle school, and it has a ton of features that you won't find in a lot of neighborhoods. Yes, it has a very large, fully stocked fishing lake. It has miles of hiking trails. It has all the sports courts you could need, from a sand pit for volleyball, basketball court, tennis courts, and it has, of course, a community pool if you're not at this pool, right? All right. Hey, but before we go take a look at the house, let me tell you one more thing. This pool is great if you want to just relax after a hard day of work with your spouse, if you want to have friends over for entertaining, or if you have kids and you want to bring all the kids' friends over and have a great time. This is one of the only pools you'll find in the Paloma Lake subdivision. Let's go take a look at the house and I'll show you more. 3321 de Torres Circle. It's over 2,200 square feet. It's got 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and obviously it's a single story. But I'm going to tell you one of my favorite things about this house. When you first walk in, the first room is actually a second primary. It's a perfect high ceiling fan. It's a perfect room for teenagers, visitors, or older parents who are going to live with y'all. It's got its own full bathroom and a walk-in closet. Now from there, you go into the rest of the house and you walk into the large open living space. And the first thing you walk into is an amazing kitchen. It's got great finishes, a large island, granite countertops, dual ovens, under cabinet lighting, great backsplash, lots of counter space. This is the gathering place for the whole house, obviously, and it's right off of a dining area and a large living space as well. From there, you walk through the living space, you go to the primary, which is in the back of the house. It's got this great primary bedroom in the back of the house with this bay window, these large windows that get you where you can look out over the pool. Great place to sit in the morning, have a cup of coffee, do some reading, just kind of start your day or end your day, however the case may be. As you can see, this primary has a large high ceiling fan. It's got the bay window, and it's got a great walk-in shower in the master bathroom. It's got a his and hers walk-in closets. From there, we go back to the front of the house. There's 2 secondary bedrooms in their own hallway. Great space with ceiling fans. Can be obviously kids' bedrooms or offices, whatever you need to be, with its own bathroom with dual vanities. And who needs an office when you got a work nook right off of the main kitchen? Laundry room, and one final look at the kitchen. Look at that double oven, amazing under cabinet lighting, granite countertops, amazing backsplash, great kitchen. But the real selling point is this pool, whether it's entertaining with family, whether it's the kids, whether it's some friends, relaxing after work. This will be your oasis away from everything else. So there you have it, 3321 de Torres Circle. Hey, an amazing house, an amazing pool, and an amazing subdivision in an amazing city, Round Rock, Texas. For more information on this property, go ahead and DM me the word pool. I'll be happy to send you everything you need to know. You all have a great day.